Is Forex a scam or is it legit? And if it is legit, how can I make some money off of it? Now, these are great questions, and all week, this week and last week, I've been getting comments, texts, calls about Forex and how it actually works and how people can actually make money from it. And that's why in this video, we're going to talk about what Forex is, how to make money from it, and if it's a scam or if it's not a scam or if it's even worth investing money into it. Now, I do want to clarify one thing before I continue on to this video, and it's this. I'm not biased. I have no incentive here. I'm not one of those people that tell you, like, hey, you know, it's a great product. You know, use my link. You know, every time you hear it's a great product, use my link, and they're always like promoting things as a red flag, run away very quickly. In this video, I'm not promoting anything. I'm not telling you use this, use that. I'm going to show you exactly all the facts, if it's good, if it's bad, and how you should make money from it, and how not to actually make any money and stay away from it if it is a scam, okay? Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is TommyBryson. I'm an accountant. I post videos every single day, and before posting this video here, I read around 2 to 3 books on Forex trading and how it actually works to operate it to actually make a very concise, good video that actually makes sense. On top of that, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video, and do me a favor, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow a ton, and it helps spread this video all across the YouTube platform. And do me a favor, comment down below and let me know, why are you looking up Forex trading? Why are you watching this video? Is it to learn how to do it, to find out if it's a scam, or if it's true, you can actually make money? Or is it because you heard about it from a friend and now told you, like, hey, this is legit, I made $1 off of it? Comment down below, let me know. I want to hear about how you actually heard about this entire like foreign exchange currency stuff, okay? Comment down below, let me know. Now, before I continue to break down exactly how to make money from Forex trading, I really want to break down what Forex trading actually is. And everyone out there is saying one thing. You know, Tommy, you know, Forex trading is so big. You know, they trade around like $1.3 trillion every single day. If I just get 1% of the pie, bro, just 1%, I'll be set for life. Well, the answer is, you know, yes. But that's like in every market too, you know, but it's not really that possible. Like, that's not as easy as, okay, I got like 1% and I'm ready to go. No, it's not that easy. It's kind of like more complicated. And that's why, guys, listen to this. Forex trading is basically trading currency and hoping and making educational guesses based on what's going on in the economy and all that fancy stuff, if the currency is going to go up or down or sideways. But the question becomes, well, how do I know? By the way, very simple. You know, you buy a US dollar at a price, you sell it at a higher price, you just made a profit. There you go. That's it, right? But in reality, how do you know when a currency is going to go up, down, or sideways? And that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. So stick around to actually find out exactly how to make the most money from Forex trading. Now, the first thing is this, guys. A lot of people don't know this, but the reason you know about Forex trading is because there are 3 different ways to actually make money from Forex trading without having to really do the entire Forex trading, okay? Let me explain right now. Now, the first thing is this, guys. If you don't know this, it's okay. And here's the thing, guys. There's something called marketing, affiliate marketing. You've probably already seen this before. If you look in the comments of this video or my past videos also, I think, you will see some people out there saying, you know, Tommy, this is great advice, but in reality, you should do Forex trading because it's so good, it's so incredible. Here's what I use to actually do the entire process. Register with them, you get 50% off for this and that, and that's all affiliate marketing. Now, what does this mean exactly, and why is it relevant to you? And the answer is this, guys. You might think that Forex trading is so hot because everyone is talking about it, but the only people that are really talking about it are affiliate marketing employees, individuals, self-employed, entrepreneurs, whatever you want to call them. But these people don't really care if you make money, lose money. They don't care about anything. So what they do is this. They make Instagrams, YouTube pages talking about Forex, but in reality, all they really care about is one thing: getting you to sign up for that software, that product, that tool, that book, whatever it is. And when you sign up, they get a commission. So it doesn't matter if you like it, if you don't like it, if you invest, if you don't invest. All they care about is you sign up, spend some money, and they get paid a commission. So whether you lose or gain money, they don't care. And you might be telling me, Tommy, you're exaggerating this entire thing, okay? These people actually care about you and they want you to make money. Well, you know that's not true, right? And here's a direct quote from a website that I found that said, you know, how do you actually become an affiliate marketer for Forex, And I found this entire quote, and I quote, here's exactly what they said. I'm going to read it right now. And I want you guys to really listen to this because, again, you think that all these people care about you and you making money, and they comment on your YouTube videos and they comment on your Instagram and they send you DMs, they ask you to come to their houses, like whatever it is, okay? Here's what they said exactly, okay? Remember that people don't buy or invest because you want them to. They do it because you persuade them to. Now, what does this mean? It means that you don't invest because you want to. You invest because they persuade you to. And they don't care whether you invest or you buy or you sell, you make money, you do whatever. They care about you signing up. And when you sign up, they make money off of you. It's called commission sales. On top of, listen to this, guys, right? The good news is, though as an affiliate marketer, you're approaching the conversation as a mentor, education, and industry leader, half of the battle is won. Now, what does this mean exactly? It means that these people that you see in comments on Instagram talking all this, oh, Forex trading is so awesome, it's so great. All these people, well, most of them, they're affiliate marketers. What does this mean? That they don't really care about you. They only care about the sales. And because you can't really see through the entire smoke screen of them actually being just an affiliate marketer or a salesman, well, you just say like, hey, this guy is super genuine. He cares about what I'm saying. He answers my DMs. He comments on my videos. He's always like there for me. So it must be legit. I trust them, and that's called building rapport with a customer. So what does this mean? It means that you probably know about Forex trading through affiliate marketers. Now, I'm saying this because that's how these people make money. So you might think that Forex trading is hot, but it's just these individuals spreading the word to get commission sales off of you. Now, before I get to the real way to actually make money from Forex trading, I want to reveal the second way on how these people actually make money from you. By the way, these are basically the scammy ways that these people try to make money off of you through Forex trading, okay? Because again, you don't have to make money. They'll still make money if you make no money or you make money in the first place, okay? The second way is this, guys, right? There's something called teaching, like courses, e-commerce, like whatever you want to call it. On top of that, it's called human contact. Now, there's online and there's also human contact. So what do I mean by this? It means that a lot of these people, like I said before, they create Instagrams, YouTube channels that seem very genuine around affiliate marketing and around Forex trading. So for example, there are some YouTube channels out there that say like, Forex trading is legit. Here's how you get started investing. Here's what you do. Here's what you don't do. Do this, do that. They recommend your product. They recommend you this. And then they say like, if you want the full aspect, well, just sign up for my course and I'll teach you everything. But in reality, the catch is this. They're not really trading. They're just reiterating everything they read in books or from other pages, and they give it back to you, and you think that they're the smartest people in the world. So for example, imagine this, right? There's a lot of financial channels out there. Imagine I went on those channels, I watched those videos, I copied everything down, and I came on the channel and said, you know what? Blah, 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 blah. And I literally just repeated everything they said, but you don't know that. And now you trust me without knowing that I just copied someone else. Now, on top of that, that's online, so they get money from you online. But they also have another way, guys, and it's actually called, in person. They might, you might see like a Facebook ad saying that, make money, come to this conference, associate with everyone. And this is all about them creating a network for themselves to actually profit from you also. By the way, once when I was like, I think it was like 2 years ago, I got invited to this conference for like you should be here thing, World Ventures, and it was all about just joining our entire market, just buy the product and you can sell it, you can keep it. And I was like, no, I'm not interested. Okay, a lot of these companies, I'm not saying anything bad about them, by the way, but I'm saying a lot of these companies out here, what they do is they try to get you in the door, become a part of the entire thing, have you pay money, and then boom, you don't use it, you don't like it, but you still paid them money, so they still made money off of you. So again, if you hear your friend, your sister, your mom, anyone around your circle talking about Forex trading, and they're telling you like, hey, sign up, use my link, again, that should be a red flag. All that affiliate marketing stuff, be very careful with it. And also with network marketing. Again, guys, network marketing, affiliate marketing is completely 100% legit, but it's just the people, some people behind it that don't really care about you. They only care about making a quick buck while the hype is still on. Now that we know affiliate marketing and also people out there trying to sell you courses and like seminars, all those people out there, that might be a little scammy depending on who you go to and if they have the right information or not. Let's actually talk about, well, Tommy, how do I actually make the real money from Forex trading? And here's where the actual value of this video actually comes into play. Now, like I said before, guys, before I did this video, I read around 2.5 books, almost 3, about Forex trading and how it works. And I can tell you this, guys, I learned the basics, because again, it's not my interest, not what I want to do. I'm not going to recommend you anything. That's not what I do here. But what I do want to tell you is this, guys. I learned several things. I'm going to tell it to you right now. I learned the pros, I learned the risks, and I learned a little bit about the ropes about how Forex trading actually works. And that's how I was able to spot everyone out there in my comment section on Instagram posts with fake Instagram saying, like, you know, Forex trading, blah, 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 you know, register for this, make money, and you won't make anything. Well, that's how I found out everything. So here it goes, guys. The pros and how to actually get this entire thing done. Now, the first thing I learned is this, guys. You lose money by not doing the education. So, like I said before, you know, you have affiliate marketers and you have courses people that want to sell you stuff. But in reality, you also have good people out there trying to sell you things that actually make a lot of sense because they know exactly what they're talking about. Like the people, I read the books and I really liked it because they knew exactly what they were talking about. But the main thing is this, guys. Whenever you're doing Forex trading, it doesn't really matter if you had a loss or a profit that day. You still win if you still stuck to your rules. Now, these rules you get by reading these books, doing the research, where you say like, hey, you know, if it falls below this price, I'll just cut it off right there. But if you try to gamble your way out of it or into it, then that's a problem, and then you actually made a loss. But as long as you're actually sticking to your rules, you're good to go. Now, number 2 is this, guys. You want to keep record of all your trades. Now, why do I say this, guys? I say this because in the book, all the information I read, guys, it showed me that a lot of these traders are compulsive buyers that don't really know what they want to do, and they do it for gambling and entertainment instead of doing it as a job and actually taking it seriously. So what I mean is this, guys. Every single time you make a trade and you write it down, you force yourself to think about, like, why did I make this trade? Why did I lose money here? Why did I make money here? What was I doing that was correct or wrong? And that way you take something called accountability over your actions, over what you're doing. So again, accountability, keeping track of your trades is very important. The second thing I learned, guys. Now, number 3, you want to trade small and then build momentum from there to minimize your losses. Now, I know so many people out there, not just in trading, but people out there in stocks, in businesses, that always want to start right here, all the way at the top. And then they lose all their money and they're like, oh my gosh, I lost all my money. And then the example they use is like, you know what? You know, Warren Buffett has a lot of money. This guy has a lot of money, so I should start big, you know. Go big or go home. Well, no. Start small, minimize the risk. That way you're more relaxed about actually training and figuring out how everything works, okay? Because if you're just like, oh my gosh, I have a $10,000 in here, and it's all my money, what if I lose it all? Well, you're going to be a lot more nervous, and you might be a lot more prevalent to actually messing up and not using those techniques that you actually practice while doing all the research before you actually started, okay? Now, number 4 is this, guys. Most of these books that I've read, I notice a pattern. Is that 80% of the book is all about yourself and self-development, and then 20% of it is all about the actual trading techniques and formulas. Why? Because when it comes to trading, it's more impulse and a lot of mental strain and actually making these decisions every single day. Because again, imagine making a trade, you just lost $10 and you want to regain that money. So you're like, okay, I'm going to invest more money, and then before you know, you just lost like $10,000, okay? So a lot of this stuff is more about like how to control yourself first, 80% of it, and then 20% of it is like, hey, how do you actually do it? Here's the formula, the easiest part, okay? Now, number 5 is this. It's more complex than you think, okay? And what do I mean by this? It means that, you know, it's not just about inflation. It's not just about like unemployment, the Fed rates, all this fancy stuff. It's not just about that. You know, currency can be affected by a lot more things that you can actually think of, okay? It's not as simple as, okay, it's just like, you know, inflation rates are going up or down, whatever it is, you know, so I should invest right now. Well, the answer is no. It's a lot more complex than what you think. And that's why, now that I mentioned to you guys, you know, what I learned from these books, I actually want to mention, well, Tommy, what are the risks of doing Forex trading? The answer is this, guys. Well, Forex trading is very tricky, and here's why. Because it gives you a lot of access to a lot of money really quick, depending on the broker you use. So what does this mean? It means that depending on where you're actually trading this currency at, you can borrow on a 10-to-1 ratio or 50-to-1 ratio. What does this mean? If you have $1, you can buy $10 worth of currency, or if you have $1, you can also buy $50 worth of currency. And you might be asking me, Tommy, what do you mean by this? Well, what I mean is this, okay? Imagine if I told you, well, you know, buy $1 in US dollar, okay? Buy $1 in the US currency. You say, okay. And you go into the broker and you say, you know what? $1 is pretty good, but how about I leverage it and actually invest $50, and that way if I gain a lot of money, well, I just gained the money and I didn't even put my own money because I only had $1, so what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is this: if you have $1,000 and you invest $50,000, if you lose all that money, you're gonna have to pay it back. And that's the real risk when it comes to doing something based on speculation and, oh my gosh, so much hype around it, and not really knowing all the research. Because again, it is a job type thing, okay? It's not like, okay, passive income. No, it's active income. It's a job, and you have to know exactly what you're doing when you're doing this type of stuff, okay? It takes a lot of work. It's not just like, okay, X equals Y, and I got it, okay, I just made $1,000. No. It's a lot more complex. And the second risk is this, guys. You know, whenever you're trading, you need to do a lot of analysis, like learning how to do everything, what affects the markets, what affects the currency, what's going on in that city, in that place, in that country. Well, that's all great information, but analysis can actually lead to analysis paralysis when you're actually analyzing everything way too much and not really taking action. So that's one thing you want to be careful of, is analysis paralysis. Just make sure whatever you're learning about, you're actually practicing at the same time, so you don't suffer from, I need more information, but you never really try out anything. So comment down below, guys, and let me know, do you want to try Forex trading? Do you think it's a scam? Do you not think it's a scam? Comment down below, let me know. And before I go, I really want to say one thing here. You know, everyone that I've met so far that's spoken about Forex trading has only really said one thing, you know, oh, Tommy, I have an email list and they send me like the best currencies, when to buy them. Everyone is looking to get spoon-fed the information, and when they lose money, they get very upset, you know. They say all the time in the emails, you know, like, you know, we'll give you 8 out of 10 times the correct answer. But in reality, it's not really like that, okay? You want to make sure you're doing the due diligence to actually get everything started. So again, my entire perspective of Forex trading, if it's a scam, if it's not a scam, the answer is no. It's not a scam, but it is a scam to most people out there that don't know what they're doing. So I recommend that if you are not willing to put in all the hours of work that actually takes to actually learn about this entire topic, I recommend you stay away from it, because again, it can end up costing you a ton of money when you are investing $1 or $1,000 and you borrow like 50 times more of that money, and then you owe all that money. Just be very careful and very mindful. So again, Forex is legit, but just make sure you find the right mentors, the right courses, the right books. I'm gonna leave like an entire like book list down below of the books I read personally. You can actually read them too if you want to. But the main idea is this, guys: if you listen to affiliate marketers, you won't get anywhere. These people only care about selling products, and they don't care about you winning or losing. They don't care about it. Same thing is this, guys: if you only listen to people that, you know, just teach you stuff and don't really do it, you're gonna end up losing also. So again, make sure you get the right mentors and make sure you're doing everything correctly. And as always, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Helps the channel grow a ton. I really appreciate it when you hit the like button. On top of that, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And as always, hit me up on Instagram if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, at TommyBryson. I respond to all my DMs there. And if you want to watch more videos, for example, I did a video yesterday on Bitcoin, how I bought like $1,500 worth of it, and what happened. Watch this video right here. And if you want to subscribe to the channel on mobile, click my face right here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.